pull up on Vicious Block, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we're out there, man. So clean town, you know? Yeah, so we're outside.
Outside.
I like. Wait. It's a freestyle. I don't know oil. Full in them, bro.
Oh,
That's
a plus for that.
It's a freestyle, not oil. I come now.
Give them a session, man.
Alright, and stay tuned for the sessions, eh?
We too oil first and warm up. Nice style.
Warm up, bro, man, because we have been up already, you know.
No, I like a session.
It's load, you know, because you know, I play that. Yeah, man. Shovel.
Shovel. I just because you have money, I want to work.
Yeah. I have a budget myself, you know. So when I especially.
Oh, yeah, man.
When you say straight vibes. Alright. Thing and straight, you know.
That one is the one. How about you?
After today, naka-apply is the way here. You won't have to get something to this one.
Yeah, man. But say you don't tell me how you want to come into it. You must say you don't tell me early and then I will get to come into it.
Alright, see you tomorrow.
Alright. That's it. Yeah, I see. Wagwan. Hello, Wagwan. Yeah, I know that you are.
I'm just at your kid. Go to bar one. I'm over shop.
No, I don't just have one day right, you know?
Alright. After today, naka-apply problem here. You have to get something this one.
Oh, yeah, man. Because I'm already done then, so I'm doing something. That's why I'm looking.
Alright, see you tomorrow.
Alright. That's it.
Read him up, alright? Ready, I know, man, I need to the camera start roll, yeah?
This one is called the Vicious Special. Action. I'm going to say again. No, come again. No, come again. Sparta. Come again. Remember. The Vicious Special.
One bitch one. So hit man, I want them there, no. Hit man, I want your style again.
Action.
Come in, father. You mean that
Come in, father.
When I search out there, I start crashing, you know. But I want to crash it out.
Which one do you want to get? Yo, give me that.
I vex with himself, you know.
How is that one? Give me that thing.
Yeah, man, vex with himself.
So from there, you try to put me so she made her feel like
I look up for me, you know.
and then she said, oh, wow, sorry.
And if you want to move after that, from the bullying, you have to go.
Action.
Papi thing now, father, you know. This anyway.
That's good.
I've been going to buy Papu, you know.
That man.
It's good. Hello, how man?
Oh, Fernando.
Yeah, man. Where are you?
I'm just a check-in. All the bar one. You have no pressure?
No, I'm good, man. Everything I run smooth, you know.
Oh. After today, you never have no problem in here. I just said I forget something for my son.
That's cool, man. I'm already done talk about them, you know. That's just the way I feel, you know.
Alright. See you tomorrow.
Alright, yeah.
One go.
That time I feel like this stuff, man. Yeah, first off. Top it nice.
And action.
Yeah, man. I go straight to the.
Yes. And just stop at the door right here, so don't step inside.
And stay up on the diagonal there, so I'm going to turn the camera inside.
Rolling. Action.
Now I walk down the bar.
You must stop at the door and then you walk into the bar. Rolling. Action.
Sure. I don't think I go on, you run off the juice bar. The thing fall grass. Yeah, bartender not coming in. So here what go on? How when you supposed to leave? No, go on again.
Later we'll talk about that.